Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. Here I am Lokman, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to conduct an English first paper class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic has been taken from English for Today, Unit 8, Lesson 3. In this lesson, we will talk about Paul, who visited Sundarpur High School, and he talked with the students and teachers. And some students asked him some questions. He answered them properly, and he also shared his feelings and views with the students of Sundarpur High School. Let's have a look with our today's discussion. It's all about Paul's visit to Sundarpur High School. Read the text first and then choose the best answer from the alternatives. Paul went to Sundarpur High School to meet the teachers and students there. He was warmly greeted by all. He quite enjoyed the green coconut drink that was served on his arrival. After visiting there, they greeted him warmly and they also offered him green coconut water. He gave a short lecture to the students and explained how they would fight against arsenic poisoning. As the school location is in a very rural area, that's why he took a topic to discuss with arsenic pollution. He talked over the issue, and he also raised some questions, and students and teachers answered properly. Finally, Paul also answered the question asked by some students. He liked most of the questions. He also took some pictures with the students. My beloved student, as you know that Paul was a person who liked to take photograph. So he always taking photograph during his visit. He always takes his camera with him. He loves photography. As he was taking leave, all the students followed him out to the school gate. The teachers wanted to hire a rickshaw for him. He doesn't like riding rickshaw. Paul is a person, he's very different person. He doesn't like to ride a rickshaw, whether a rickshaw driver will pull a rickshaw, but a passenger will sit in the rickshaw idly. He doesn't like this habit. In fact, he hates the idea of sitting idle while another person is pulling the rickshaw. So he didn't mind walking towards the local union council office. So he also visited local union council office by walking on foot. He didn't take rickshaw. Okay, now choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answers. First number is, he was warmly greeted by all. You know that this MCQ, in maximum MCQ covers with word meaning. So you must have a skill on word meaning. So my first word is warmly. What does warmly mean? Here are 4 options. Number 1, hotly, excitedly, sincerely, brilliantly. So warmly is used when someone is taking his visit to other places. So it's one kind of greeting. So it should be sincerely, warmly, sincerely. Okay, next, second one, Paul likes. What does Paul like? Gardening, bird watching, photography, anthropology. As the word is mentioned in the passage, photography, and you also know that he likes to take photo during his visit. So answer should be photography. Okay, next one is, Paul delivered a lecture on corruption, environment pollution, deforestation, arsenic poisoning. According to the passage, we came to learn that he talked on the topic of arsenic poisoning. So our answer should be here, arsenic poisoning. The word idea means image, advice, thought, idleness. No, idea means thought. It is the closest meaning of idea, and others are not the meaning of idea. So Paul hates the idea of sitting idle. Where? In the school, in the park, in the garden, or in the rickshaw. So is it mentioned? It's mentioned in the passage. In the rickshaw. The word follow means neglect, pursue, lead, precede. No, our word follow means pursue. Follow means pursue. The word arrival means departure. No, it is the antonym of arrival. Leave, it also antonym. Come is not contextual or grammatical is not correct with the meaning of arrival, which is used in our text. So it should be coming, which is appropriate meaning of arrival, closest to the closest meaning of arrival, which is mentioned in our passage. So we have already finished our reading and question answering. Now take your SW. This is my SW number 7 and matching number 5. I also provided some matching in our previous classes. So this is the 5 number matching. In number 1, Dr. Alfred Nobel. Second one, he was an engineer. His father he had ammunition. In 1850, Alfred Nobel, these are the left side, and in our B column we will get this last portion of the sentence. Joined in his father's company, business at Leningrad, was born in Sweden, and chemist, an architect and researcher. Now write down the SW in your assigned SW copy. So this is all about our today's class. I hope you have kept touch with our today's lesson, and you should go through your main text and practice this model question and regarding other questions also, and do the SW in your assigned SW copy and submit it coming Sunday, and collect the others SW also. Stay home, stay safe, keep practicing at home, listen to your parents, abide by your parents also, and see you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.